Kaka-open pa lang. Look at the girls. Going crazy. My gosh. Okay, nagulo pa. Go lang. Ayan, hindi pa namin naayos sa clothes. So, pinuhoard ng mga girls. Baga, go! Okay, so, nakaalis na yung ibang tao. Oh my gosh.
Hi! I'm her assistant today.
Love it. Ayan, konti nila yung tao. Medyo madami na bumili. The best friends.
Huh?
Cedric!
Best friends.
They got this food.
Here, rice.
Nami.
So discounted ka. 250 eh. This one is 150.
It's Raya!
I'm actually giving something to you.
What?
Guess what? In the end, the loose powder and then activated charcoal.
Zaline?
Yeah.
Chef,
Ito,
girl.
bibili-
Sige, dadaan ako sa'yo doon mamaya.
Super nice, the charcoal.
Michelle! Si Ate Kate, si Brad.
Right.
We were not able to vlog kaninang umaga kasi nagpa-price pa lang kami. Sobrang dami nang dumating. As in, grabe. Thank you so much to everyone who came. Konti na lang, natitira na lang. Yan na lang. Plus sa clothes ko, sobrang dami nang nakuha. Diba? Isang buong, ano yan, container doon. Kaso ngayon wala na. Naiwan ko pa yung cord no mirror, so hindi ko siya mabebenta today. Yan, sila Cedric, tsaka sila Ate Ann, Ate Kate, Brad, Michelle, umuwi na ng Batangas. So, we're gonna see Ate Ann again. Next week?
Next week.
Sobrang cute. Yung best friend na si Mark. Si Cedric. What's your message to Cedric? Bro. Speechless.
Speechless ako eh.
Nakita si Mark ng earbin sa labas, kaso twice yung presyo. As in 1,000 times for the big bag. So nakahanap ako ng alternative. Homemade bits and chips, salted egg, potato crisps. And then, hindi pa kami nakaka-grocery, so bumili ako ng lemonade. Sa lemon stand, bumili rin ako ng lemons. 100 for 5 pieces, not bad. Maybe sorry naman sila doing Facebook Live right now.
Hindi ako masyadong may gumagawa ng...
Dinala ko yung tripod. Ayun yung Angry Birds. They're back.
Why? Ba't may Angry Birds?
Ganyan, may laging Angry Birds.
Yan?
Oh, yung mga laging Angry.
Automatic meron?
Hindi ko alam kung sino nagdagalit eh. Bumili ako ng goto for lunch and siomai. So, bumili yung mga tao. Still selling. Mabili naman kami ni Mark ng pagkain. Sorry, kain kami ng kain.
Bulong?
I'm not actually sorry kasi I'm hungry. Hi, baby! Hi to Patricia Ann Ramos. Ramos! Yung friend ka ba niya? Siya yung nag-shopping for you. You're so sweet. Thank you very much. Packing up. Medyo sobrang antong pa kami ni Mark. So, Booby, bye! We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna visit wifey. So, yun. See you tomorrow, guys. Hi, wifey. Hi. What's wrong with you, wifey?
I don't know. I'm like too weak.
So, we brought her Jollibee to make her happier. Of course. Ayan, dito kami mag-dinner ni Mark. Grabe, nakapagod yung bazaar. Kain kami dito. Hindi, sige. Go lang kami. Oo, go lang.
Okay. Seems sweet.
You want me? 12 na. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Giling. Tayo. Giling. No. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Woohoo! 25! Go lang. 12:15 a.m. What is wifey doing? Of course, putting on lip tint. This is so fun. So, how do you feel? Ano ba yan? Gray ka? Gray na. Wala gray na ka-gray. Ano na 15.5 ka na?
Wala, normal.
Ba't ka nag-flex?
Ha?
Sabi, wala.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh my gosh, nakakaloka. Day to Happy birthday. Oh.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Blow, blow, blow.
Say